Thank you for buying this feeder from Fixture Displays. Here are all the components. You have the hooks. Sometimes you may need to open the hook up a little bit with a pair of pliers, but for the most part, it should work just right. Our email address is Fixture Displays, is cs@fixturedisplays.com. Our phone number is 630-296-4190. Before you put on the window, make sure your window is clean, and then you can start to install. If you like our feeder, we can always use a good review. If you have any issues, call or email us. We will get you taken care of. So when you put on the window, make sure you push the surface against the window nicely. Make sure every suction cup is working. Then you can put the feed in and enjoy your feeder and birds.